small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so.
Alright, so this morning we are in Ubud. We're gonna go to the Ubud Traditional Market, but this at morning Ubud Traditional Market is like a really traditional market with local people. They selling the fruit, veg and everything, right?
Yes, so we will look around what they sell in the morning, and then we will buy something later on. And you can see how the Ubud update right now. Still, some of the tourist places still closed.
And it's 7:45 at morning, so
you can see around here behind me they're still closed.
it's still quiet.
Okay, now let's go to the market.
It's beautiful sunny morning in Ubud. However, it was rainy last night. Have to be careful how you walk to do not go into the water. Okay, here we go. We are enter to the market.
Nhanh luôn.
Hello. This one, what you saw, that's the people making the offerings. That's the Balinese things for the gods. Like this one, also the flowers. Hello, flower nut.
Yeah,
Thank
1
you.
kilo. Okay. Yeah, number kilo.
What's that?
So this one is called passion fruit. Yeah.
And now we are in the fruit and veg section, as you can see over here. I will show you around, guys.
So I buy cucumber here. Ampun.
Kentang baby.
So I just bought cucumber. So 1 kilo is about 8K. Quite cheap.
Alright, let's see what is over there under the umbrellas. Let's go.
Over there, they are selling the coconut leaf for offering.
Okay, so we are done of the shopping. We need bought what you buy?
So I've got cucumber. 1 kilo of cucumber cost me around 8k. And then 1 kilo of passion fruit cost me 20k.
Yeah. And now we're gonna go next. I think it's time to go for coffee. We wanna do some exercises, so
Yeah.
she chose some place in Ubud. By the way, behind me is the King Palace, police officer, and the main street of Ubud.
Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make.
So we are just arrived. I think we are the first ones, so let's see how it is inside. By the way, so quiet area over here. Interesting painting. I will editing the video and having my morning coffee, of course. Winnie decided she will have what?
Training over there on the top later on at 9 because the class later on will start at 9.
Where? Somewhere here.
Yeah, like kind of dancing training to
Cool.
burn my belly fat.
Cool. This is the pool.
And let's see what is it around here, because they have a pool, they have a basketball, they have a gym, they also have a dance studio on the top, and I think they also have a restaurant here. This is the restaurant area. And here is the steam area and also the sauna area.
Adults only.
Yes. Jacuzzi, they have jacuzzi here. Yeah. And this one is the steam and sauna area.
Let's see what is over here.
Oh, they have a basketball. I mean, they have a basketball court. And also over there, they have the skate park.
Alright, so this is how it looks roughly, the place. It's quite a big area. They have a big cafe shop, basketball area.
They have a skate park
skate
area.
park,
They have
sauna,
dance studio, they
big
have a
gym,
restaurant, big
dance
gym,
studio, stuff
swimming
like
pool
this.
for the kids. And I heard that they also have a DJ class here. Ooh.
And it's so hot anyway.
Oh, nice. They also have a kids playground here.
Big stone. Alright, so after a quick tour of the place, I got my coffee. Check this out. Container of sugar. Oh honey, what you have?
I've got orange juice because
Are
I
you
will
ready
start.
for the...
Yeah, I will start my dance training at 9. So now is 8:48. So 12 more minutes I will go and start. I will start my combat training So this is the studio. As you see, 15% maximum. And she is my dance trainer today.
Welcome to Ubud.
She will be by herself, yeah?
I will be the Nightmare. I will be the Nightmare today.
Okay, so good luck, honey.
If you want, you can join us. No, just go for a coffee.
Yeah, already.
Smash shovel and say hi.
From the window outside.
Enjoy.
She looks scared because she will be by herself.
You will be. You will figure it out, okay? Any
I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Alright, so we are almost done. How was your training, Sayang?
Oh my god, it was so hard. I did a combat training. So as you see in my video before, so hard. But it's really good for my health, you know. I feel so good. And then, yeah.
Okay, so I
I
think
already
that's...
finished shower. They also have a shower inside, and I also had a jacuzzi and sauna. That's good. I feel so good, you know. Better to stay healthy during this situation. That's
Yeah,
good.
okay, so I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I hope so you like it. If you like it, comment below, subscribe, don't forget, and yeah, see you tomorrow, like always.
Bye.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.